Technical analysis of SATS NASDAQ June 17, 2025. This technical analysis of EchoStar Corporation SATS on NASDAQ based on the provided dataset as of June 16, 2025 integrates trend analysis, key support and resistance levels, moving averages, momentum indicators, volume dynamics, volatility and pattern recognition to identify potential trading opportunities. The analysis is structured to provide clear actionable insights for traders and investors. Section 1 Trend Analysis. Current trend. SATS is in a short-term uptrend after a sharp rally closing at 25.11 on June 16, 2025, up from 16.84 on June 13. The longer-term trend from the 50-day and 200-day perspectives remains bearish to neutral as the stock trades below its 50-day simple moving average at 20.34 but above its 200-day SMA at 21.12. Trend confirmation. The 5-day SMA at 18.81 is above the 10-day SMA at 17.89, confirming short-term bullish momentum. The 20-day SMA at 19.06 and 50-day SMA at 20.34 are below the current price, indicating potential resistance. Ahead, the ADX 14 at 26.55 suggests a strengthening trend driven by the June 16 surge trend strength. The rising ADX 14 from 26.51 on June 13 supports increasing trend strength, reflecting the recent breakout above 18.08. Section 2 Support and resistance levels. Support levels. Immediate support is at 23.87, which was the low on June 16. Secondary support is at 18.08, corresponding to the June 12 close and recent consolidation high. Long-term support lies between 15.99 and 16.80 the range from June 9 to 13. And a key psychological level. Resistance levels. Immediate resistance is at 25.29. The high from June 16. Secondary resistance is at 26.00 near the March 25 high of 27.38 and the March 27 high of 27.48. Major resistance stands at 28.00, referencing the March 20 to 21 highs between 27.01 and 27.26. Key observation. The close at 25.11 is above all short-term SMAs but below longer-term SMAs such as the 50-day at 20.34. A pullback to 23.87 could test support, while a break above 25.29 may target 26.00. Section 3 Moving averages. Simple moving averages. 5-day SMA is at 18.81, which is bullish as price is above it. 10-day SMA is at 17.89, bullish as price is above. 20-day SMA is at 19.06, also bullish. 50-day SMA at 20.34 is bearish but price is currently above it. 200-day SMA is at 21.12, bullish as price is above it. Exponential moving averages. 5-day EMA at 19.86 is bullish. 10-day EMA at 18.98 bullish. 20-day EMA at 19.30 bullish. 50-day EMA at 19.96 also bullish. Crossovers. The 5-day SMA at 18.81 crossed above the 10-day SMA at 17.89 on June 16, signaling short-term bullish momentum. The 5-day EMA at 19.86 is above the 10-day EMA at 18.98, reinforcing the uptrend. Key insight. SATS's price being above all SMAs and EMAs indicates strong short-term bullish momentum. The proximity to the 50-day SMA at 20.34 suggests a potential breakout or resistance test if the rally continues. Section 4 Momentum indicators. Relative strength index. RSI 14 is at 63.58. It is in the neutral to overbought territory below 70, indicating strong momentum but not yet overextended. A move above 70 would signal overbought conditions. Stochastic oscillator. The stock K5 is at 78.50, which is near overbought. Above 80. Stock D5 is at 67.42 and rising, which supports bullish momentum. The stock K5 suggests a potential pause or pullback if it crosses above 80. MACD. The MACD is at -0.75. The MACD signal is at -1.29. The histogram is at 0.54. The positive histogram and narrowing MACD gap indicate improving bullish momentum, though the MACD remains negative, reflecting the longer-term bearish trend. Williams percent R14 is at -173, which is near overbought, supporting RSI and stochastic signals for strong momentum but cautioning against a potential pullback. Key momentum insight. RSI at 63.58, stock K5 at 78.50 and the positive MACD histogram at 0.54 confirm short-term bullish momentum. Overbought signals such as Williams percent are at -173, suggest monitoring for a pullback to 23.87 or 18.08. Section 5 Volume analysis. Recent Volume on June 16, 2025. Volume was 15,844,856, a significant spike compared to 5,896,035 on June 13 and 3,632,629 on June 12, indicating strong buying interest. Volume trend. The on-balance volume OBV rose to minus 26,729,338 from minus 42,574,194 on June 13, reflecting accumulative buying pressure. The May 12 to 13 volume spikes at 12,596,079 and 12,601,288 marked previous sell-offs. While the June 16 surge suggests a reversal, Chaikin Oscillator is at 6,625,973 positive, confirming accumulation and buyer interest. Key volume insight. The June 16 volume spike at 15.8 million with a 49.03% price increase from 16.84 indicates strong institutional or retail buying. Sustained volume above 5 million is needed to confirm the uptrend. Section 6 volatility and risk. Average true range ATR 14 is at 1.99, indicating high volatility consistent with recent price swings such as 14.90 to 25.29 between June 9 and 16. Traders should use wider stop losses. Bollinger Band's upper band is at 23.80, middle band 20-day SMA is at 19.06, lower band is at 14.32. The price at 25.11 is above the upper band, signaling overextension and a potential pullback to the middle band at 19.06. Beta 14 is at 0.94, slightly below the market at 1.0, indicating moderate market sensitivity but high stock-specific volatility due to recent price action. Key volatility insight. High ATR at 1.99 and price above the upper Bollinger Band at 23.80. Highlight elevated risk. The June 16 rally from a low of 14.90 to a high of 25.29 underscores SATS's volatility requiring tight risk management. Section 7 pattern recognition. Recent price action. The sharp rally from 15.99 on June 9 to 25.11 on June 16 with a volume spike at 15.8 million resembles a breakout pattern above the 18.08 resistance from June 12. The RSI at 63.58 and stock K5 at 78.50 support continued momentum but warn of overbought conditions. Parabolic SAR PSAR is at 15.03 below the current price, confirming a bullish short-term trend. A reversal would require the PSAR to flip above the price chart patterns. The June 9 to 13 range from 15.99 to 18.08 formed a consolidation base followed by a breakout on June 16. The move above the 20-day SMA at 19.06 strengthens the bullish case. Key pattern insight. SATS is in a breakout phase above 18.08 with high volume but overbought. Indicators such as Williams percent are at minus 173 and proximity to the upper Bollinger Band at 23.80 suggest a potential pullback or consolidation near 23.87. Section 8 trading strategy. Short-term bullish setup. Entry buy on a pullback to 23.87 to 24.00 with a bullish candlestick and volume above 5 million. Target 26.00 or 28.00. Stop loss below 22.50. Rationale. Strong volume at 15.8 million. Bullish PSAR at 15.03 and RSI at 63.58. Support. A continuation above 23.87. Short-term bearish setup. Entry sell or short below 23.87 with a bearish candlestick and volume above 5 million. Target 19.06 or 18.08. Stop loss above 25.29. Rationale. Overbought. Williams percent are at minus 173. Price above the upper Bollinger Band at 23.80 and high ATR at 1.99 suggest a potential pullback. Swing trading setup. Entry buy on a confirmed breakout above 25.29 with 5-day SMA above 10-day SMA and rising OBV. Target 28.00 or 30.00. Stop loss below 23.87. Rationale. Historical volatility and recent volume surge support swing trades on confirmed breakout. Section 9 risk management. Position sizing limit. Risk to 1 to 2% of capital per trade given SATS's high volatility and recent extreme moves. Stop loss placement. Use key levels like 23.87 for longs or 25.29 for shorts. Risk reward ratio. Aim for at least 2 to 1. Key risk. SATS's volatility and history of sharp moves suggest potential for news-driven spikes. Monitor X posts or news catalysts. Section 10 Conclusion. SATS is in a short-term uptrend after a breakout above 18.08 closing at 25.11 with strong volume at 15.8 million. Bullish momentum. Indicators including RSI at 63.58, stock K5 at 78.50, MACD histogram at 0.54 and a positive PSAR at 15.03. Support. Further upside. Overbought signals and price above the upper Bollinger Band indicate a potential pullback to 23.87 or 19.06. The stock remains below the 50-day SMA, suggesting longer-term bearish pressure unless the rally sustains. Traders should monitor for a pullback to 23.87 for a bullish entry or a break below this level for a bearish setup. Swing traders can capitalize on a breakout above 25.29 with volume. Confirmation. Risk management is critical due to SATS's high volatility and susceptibility to catalysts. Actionable next steps. Watch for a pullback to 23.87 with volume above 5 million for a long entry. Monitor 25.29 resistance for a breakout or reversal. Check X posts or news for catalysts related to the June 16 rally or prior sell-offs to anticipate volatility.